plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. It's been a hot minute. I think it's been about a week since I put a video out. I hope that you all are doing well, doing what you need to do to hang in there. I am glad to be back. I have been resting my arm because it's been a little sore, but I just get a little stir crazy with that. Like, I really like to be active and to be doing things, so I'm very glad that I'm back making some videos. This video was suggested by Aubrey. She really liked the Taillow card, and she knew that I really like these cards that are of crafts, like the Pokemon that are clearly made out of clay or crocheted, so she asked me to try to recreate the card. I think I did okay at it. The Taillow I made looks like he's ready for winter. He's a little chunkier, and it's really cute anyway though, so yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy. So you can see I tried to pick some papers that were realistic, just like the photography on the card. I have that grass paper back there for my background, and I will try to recreate the branch as well with some success. It's not as realistic as the grass. After this video, I have made Milcery. I hope I'm saying its name right. It's the one that looks like a little splash of milk, and it turned out terrible, so look forward to that. I was really not happy with that one, but Taillow's alright. So I am deciding that I'll probably change the format of my videos for the upcoming year. I probably will do some longer format videos with multiple crafts, but not until I reach 100. I want to stick with these like single video per craft until then, but look forward to that. If you have any feedback on it, let me know. I have started to plan out papers for like Pokemon by generation, so I can do videos on each generation. Yeah. I just know that for me to finish my Pokédex, I probably can't make a video for every single Pokemon because there's so many. And I'm so worried that like this year is Pokemon's 25th anniversary, and I'm like, I know they're going to come out with a new generation, aren't they? They're going to add to my workload. I can feel it. Although I think that the Diamond and Pearl remake might have been confirmed. I'm not sure. Let me know if you guys know anything about that, if that's happening. So far for my upcoming videos, I've spent 3 hours picking out papers for Pokemon. I'm trying to keep track of my time too, so that I can kind of include that in the video as like information. I didn't realize how long it takes for me to pick out all the papers, but those 3 hours I spent planning for like 30 Pokemon, so I guess it's not super long. I decided to color his eyes because these pieces of paper were very, very small. I definitely think that the Taillow on the card is kind of staring off into space, and the Taillow that I made is looking right at you. He's a little more confrontational. I mean, I made it so that he has little hearts in his eyes, if that helps, but... And for his wing here, I ended up deciding to make it kind of pop up off the page, so I used these thicker stickers to make them pop out compared to the rest of the body. Other upcoming videos, I have a Vivid Voltage pack that I need to open, and I have some Cyberpunk pins from GameStop to open as well. Well, I opened them, but I haven't put the video out yet. which I always feel bad when I buy myself like these like frivolous collectible things, but I did my whole budget for 2020 and I was so cheap. Like, I think that 80% of the money I spent was just on necessities, like rent and medical and like gas for my car. I guess it does help that a lot of my craft supplies I've already had for a really long time, so I haven't had to put a lot of money into this hobby except for getting the new computer for editing and the lighting. So I'm using this like cardboard paper for the branch. I used a brown micron pen to try to give it a texture. It's not the most skillful, but it's alright. Then I just have to position the Taillow on the page, as well as add his wing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. It helps me out. I really love coming here and making stuff. It is such a treat and such like a relaxing thing for me to do. And I hope to see you all again soon. Take care, guys.